Hello, this is Leah with your weekly grain market update for the week of April 7th. Hope you all had a great Easter. Over last week, all commodities, corn, beans, and wheat started on the upside Monday, but have been down the rest of the week, ending the week on Thursday due to Good Friday. Corn futures are down 14 cents, bean futures are down 15 cents, and wheat futures are also down at 18 cents. In the corn market, the second crop in Brazil is heading toward the better part of growing season, with trade watching weather forecasts into April with some concerns. But the short-term forecast looks good. The extended U.S. weather pattern looks to be making progress for planting mid-month after the recent storms. A blizzard kicks off the week across the Dakotas both Monday and Tuesday. However, much of the Corn Belt was warm and mostly dry after the blizzard passed. This forecast is important as it will accelerate field drying and get spring planting going full speed. Imports and exports. With new crops being sold to Mexico, cash trade has been down relatively quiet. Brazil sugar mills will be maxing out on sugar production over ethanol, so we could see lower U.S. ethanol imports from Brazil this summer. Investors remain concerned about the slowing economy. Both old crop and new crop have been down last week. The Chicago Board of Trade showed the old crop dropped to 643 and the new crop was down to 556 on Thursday. In the soybean market, the Argentine government announced another soy dollar deal where they adjust the currency by 25 to 30% for farmers who sell beans. The program was set to start on Saturday. The big question is, will China continue to buy U.S. beans and pay huge invoices to put soybeans into reserve? This will drive old crop spreads. Some say that they will struggle to make a quality meal from low-grade, droughty beans. Some planters were seen running, and more to come with warmer weather approaching. Old and new crop both faded last week. Futures followed the bullish theme from the stocks. Old crop getting as low as $14.92 on the Chicago board and new crop as low as $13.09. Both hitting their lows late in the week on Thursday. In the wheat market, this has been the worst winter wheat condition rating for Kansas since 1989 and may limit the potential for feed wheat this summer. Freezing temps were forecasted for Nebraska, Kansas, and the Oklahoma Panhandle. Russia stated they will stop exporting grain from Russia starting July 1st. India presses into harvest with warm and dry conditions. The soft red wheat crop is expected to be 417 million bushels, which if correct, will be the largest soft red wheat crop since 2014-2015. There is continued talk about the European Union importing wheat into Tampa, and when they do, hopefully they don't enter any manatees. Tampa has one of the biggest manatee viewings. Both old and new crops finished down last week. Old crop was down to $6.75 and new crop was down to $7. Just some things to look at and think about. Still not horrible prices to lock in some bushels. Call your local grain merchandiser with any questions. Thank you for listening and have a great week.